Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Silverado Man 61. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Greatly appreciated. Like the video, leave your comments down below. Checking out another older Ford Bronco. This one looks like it's been restored also. Beautiful, nice work on the engine here. Very clean engine. It looks like it's a 289 engine in this old Ford Bronco here. Very nice interior on it. Down at the houndstooth interior. It's been really worked nice. Painted. All the gaskets have been replaced on it. Rubber moldings around the wheels and tires and windows and everything. It's not the cab in the back. I'm pretty sure it may have a cab that they can put on the back here unless they're keeping it somewhere else. But it's nicely painted back here. Beautiful blue color. This truck's definitely been restored at one point, probably a few years ago. Looks really nice. Underside is pretty clean. Suspension wise, not seeing any rust or anything like that on it, so it's looking really nice. Chrome is like beautiful on it. It's like it's all been redone, repainted. Another set of wheels on it. Some of the underside for you. The suspension, it's really clean. Frame's really clean on it. Yeah, somebody put a lot of money and work into this little Bronco here. Imagine they're gonna ask a pretty penny for this. There's no price on it yet, so I don't know what they're gonna be asking for it. But anyway, if you're interested in a Bronco, it's here at Street Side. This guy's got AC in it. It's like one of them units, kits that they put in for the AC. I'm not sure if this came with AC or not. But anyway, 289 is very clean on it. Really nice. Don't know the horsepower on this, but it's been done. It's been worked over, and it's a nicely restored Bronco. So if you guys looking for one, it's here. So subscribe to the channel, guys. Greatly appreciated. We'll catch you in the next video.